Dear Lord above, hear my prayer for those who fought but aren't here. Bless their souls in the afterglow. In your loving arms, let their spirits grow. For the comrade lost in the heat of the fight, in the shadows of darkness, in the silent night, bless their souls in the celestial flight, in the realm of peace where there is no plight. In the hallowed ground where heroes repose, a soldier's prayer as the wind softly blows. Grant them rest and solace profound. In your loving arms may peace abound. Their sacrifice, a prayer eternally heard in the presence of angels in your holy word. A soldier's prayer for the brave and true in the tapestry of remembrance forever anew. A poem by unknown author. Jesus tells us greater love has no one than this, than to lay down one's life for his friends. John 15:13. So how much more grateful should we be to somebody we've never met? Remember the reason for Memorial Day. God bless.